Welcome! Today we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to add a status to your story on Snapchat. Whether you're new to Snapchat or just looking for a refresher, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once the app is loaded, you'll see the camera screen, which is Snapchat's default view. From here, tap your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where all your settings and options are displayed. Next, look for the option that says Add to my story. Tap on it to begin creating your story. Here, you can choose what type of content you want to share, whether it's a photo, video, or even a snap from your camera roll. You'll also have the chance to add fun elements like filters, stickers, or text to personalize your story. Once you've selected or created your content, tap on My Story. This action will add your snap directly to your story feed. Your friends will now be able to view this story for 24 hours unless you decide to delete it earlier. And that's it. You've successfully added a status to your Snapchat story. It's quick, simple, and a great way to share moments with your friends and followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need a hand navigating Snapchat's features. Thanks for watching.